Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, before starting our topic, okay, first you will to register your account using this my Nominex exchange referral link. Okay, you will find into the description of this video this referral link. Okay, and also you will register your account using this my Binance exchange referral link, so you will get team bonus and you will get 10% bonus and transaction fee discount. Okay, when you will register Binance, and when you will register Nominex exchange, you will get automatically team bonus and added into my team, and 45% bonus, direct bonus, binary bonus, team reward bonus. There are multiple bonuses in this exchange. Okay, just click here. After clicking, and it will open. Okay, and type your email here. Okay, choose password, and this is my referral code. Okay, 85384. You can also type here manually or click you. Use this referral code to register your account. And second one is Binance. Okay, it's also beneficial for withdrawals, cash outs, transactions. Okay, okay, after clicking here, and it will open in this way, and this is my referral code. As you will see here, it's automatic filled here, and here is typing. That's what your commission kickback rate is 10%. Okay, you will get 10% bonus. Okay, both referral links you will find into the description of this video. I am showing you new update of Nominex exchange. Before that, in Nominex exchange, market order is not available. You cannot do here market orders in trading. Just you can do it on limit orders, and limit orders, you know that it's taking time. Okay, and to execute your order, but market order executed immediately when you will try. So now I want to sell my available NMX using what? Using market order. As you will see here, after login Nominex exchange, okay, just click your main account and you will this screen will appear, As you will see here, my Nominex token, I have 6.1 Nominex token available into my Nominex exchange account and 31 USDT. Okay, now I want to sell this Nominex. See how to do. Okay, just here is option trade. As you will see here, trade, just click here to trade. After clicking here, okay, Nominex USDT, then click here. Okay, or you can also click here markets, then select Nominex USDT into manual. Okay, you can also do it, same option. Okay, as you will see here, now Nominex price is 5.0256. okay, and it's going to down minus 3.54. okay, red alert. Red means it's going to down, and 24 hours volume low 4.4 and high 5.2. but now I want to sell it $5. okay, using what? Using market order. As you will see here, here is order menu. Just I am clicking here at market order, limit order, stop limit, trailing stop future, scaled. Okay, this option is added, updated now. Before that only limit order is available, but now market order is available, updated here. Okay, this is a great option. Your orders executed immediately, not you are waiting your orders to complete it. See how to do. Now currently I have no any open orders. Okay, just now I want to sell Nominex. Click here to sell. As you will see here, 6.18 Nominex available. Okay, I want to sell it what market price? It's market order. Market price is currently what price? 5.0. okay, 5.02. this is a market order. Market price, okay, $5. As you will see here, per Nominex I have 6 Nominex. just click here to 100%. I want to sell it. Okay, after clicking here, as you will see here, total here is this and everything is good. Now click here to sell it. As you will see here, before my USDT balance is 31 USDT available. If selling it, see my balance is what? 31 USDT more added. Click here. It's processing. Market order is good. It will execute it immediately. Most welcome old members of Nominex exchange and new members. Okay, market order is updated now. Okay, it's processing, as you will see here. Okay, my market order has filled. As you will see here, now my Nominex balance is 0.004. Before that, it's 6.1. Now click here to buy. After clicking buy, see your USDT balance. Okay, this is your USDT balance. As you will see here, my USDT balance is 62.17. Before that, it's 31 USDT. In this way, you can sell your Nominex, okay, and rebuy, taking profits. Okay, market order will be updated here. As you see here, my market order has been filled. Okay, market order is good. I hope you will understand what is market order and how to place your order using this way. Okay, using this market orders.